Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about beginner skincare tips for teenagers. But before we start the video, let's talk about why skincare is important. Skincare for teenagers is crucial as it establishes healthy habits, prevents acne, and protects against sun damage. Developing a skincare routine early promotes long-term skin health, boosts confidence, and addresses common adolescent skin issues. Hormonal changes can make your skin oily, dry, acne-prone. A good skincare routine can help you fight these issues and keep your skin healthy and glowing. Teenage skin is also more sensitive compared to adult skin, so the products you use and the way you use them can have a significant impact on your skin's health. Here are the different skin types: oily, dry, combination, dehydrated, sensitive, acne-prone, normal. Using harsh skincare products can lead to excessive dryness, stripping the skin of its natural oils and disrupting the moisture balance. Additionally, harsh ingredients may cause irritation, redness, and increased sensitivity, potentially exacerbating skin issues. Look for products labeled as gentle or formulated for sensitive skin. Cleansing tips. In any skincare routine, cleansing is the first step. Cleansing helps remove dirt, oil, makeup from your skin surface, allowing other skincare products to penetrate better. A gentle cleanser is perfect for everyday use, while an exfoliating cleanser can be used for once or twice a week to remove dead skin cells. Remember to use lukewarm water and avoid hot water that can dry out your skin. Sun protection tips. Sun damage can cause a lot of harm to your skin over time, leading to premature aging and other problems like dark spots or skin cancer. Use a sunscreen every day to avoid these problems. Moisturizing tips. Moisturizing skin helps maintain hydration, preventing dryness and flakiness. It enhances skin elasticity, reducing the appearance of wrinkles. Additionally, moisturizers create a protective barrier, shielding skin from environmental stressors and promoting a smoother, healthier complexion. Be consistent. Consistency is important for seeing results and maintaining healthy skin. Changing skincare products again and again often will result in skin breakouts. Remember, everyone's skin is different, so it may take some trial to find the right products and routine that work for you. If you have specific concerns, chat with a dermatologist for personalized advice and treatment. Thank you for watching.